Hello YouTube, hope you're staying in. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, small hail and freezing rain for the next few days. Last time this happened was 25 years ago, and I spent a month all over the South Shore, Saint Jean-Baptiste, Chambly, where we stayed at the Youth Detention Center. And we went to Saint Jean, where the base was closed, but they'd be open for us to stay. So technically it started today, 25 years ago, the 5th. But we weren't called in till a few days later. Yeah. It was an interesting experience. My best friend hit me in the head with a hammer. It wasn't on purpose, it was because it was slippery. Lots of deaths. We found lots of bodies. People, families huddled together in a room with a small propane burning device. The carbon monoxide. Finding kids and their families hunched over tables is not always fun. So if you're driving out, stay safe. Recharge your batteries, get extra food. This has been 10 minutes and the cars are already covered. And it's supposed to last 2 days. The last ash storm lasted 3 days. So let's see what happens. It's already an ice rink. In a way, I kind of came out here to film it to see if a car would pass. If you notice, there's a stop sign over there. People tend to drive fast, and sometimes you just drive into the park. Well, he made a stop. So the last time I filmed was the beginning of a snowstorm, and now it's the beginning of an ice storm. Which would you prefer? Snow or ice? I would prefer snow. Happy New Year. And here we go. The next day.